Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this simple matchstick puzzle, and the object is to move 3 matches to make 3 squares from this basic shape that I've made with 12 matches. And there's just one square at the moment in the middle, and this shape is an interesting shape because that would be the shape that you'd use if you were going to play a game of noughts and crosses or tic-tac-toe. So if you want to think about the answer, then click on the pause button in the bottom left hand corner. Otherwise, I'm going to go straight into the answer, and the answer is the first match is that one, and put it up there. The second match is that one, and put it over there. And the third match is this one, to move down the bottom. And that's created 1, 2, 3 squares from those matches, and there's no matches left over. So there we go. Hope you've enjoyed this puzzle. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.